This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings, then enter the Google category over here. The next step is to make sure that currently no Google accounts are linked to your system, which is in my case not true, so I'll have to remove them. In order to do that, you have to tap over here, then go for the Manage Accounts on this device option, and remove each individual Google account that you have in use. Once there are no accounts that are currently associated, no Google accounts to be exact, that are currently associated with your system, which I want to double check, there are none, as you can see. We can start the setup procedure. So at the Google page of settings, open the parental control section, get started, child routine, next. Then tap on the add or create account for your child option, then sign in or sign up depending on whether you have any Google account prepared. In my case, I do have one on my hands, so I'll simply log into it. So here it is. Then let me quickly enter the password for it off the screen, of course. I agree. More, accept. Then choose the account that you have just logged into from the list. After that, you need to also enter the credentials for the parent's Google account or the account that will be used for supervising the child's activity. So here I have it as well. Let me enter the password for this one also. At the following page, you need to scroll it all the way down, and to confirm the account linking procedure, enter the password to the child's account one more time, which I will also do off the screen, obviously. At the next dialog or pop-up window that you'll get, tap on the Allow option, wait until two accounts will be successfully linked. Onwards, tap on the next button, more. In here you can either, prematurely turn off the apps that you do not want your child to have an access to. Basically, you will be able to also do that later as well. So if you want to finish the setup procedure as fast as possible, just skip this step. The same pretty much applies for content restrictions and filters. So next, if the device that is in the bold font over here is the one that you'll use for supervision, you can just tap on this little Install Family Link blue button, and the needed app will get automatically downloaded to your phone as a parent or supervisor. Or you can tap skip, and do that manually as well. There's pretty much no difference. So the parental controls were successfully set up at the child's end, as you can apparently see. So now I'll take my parent's device real quick. First of all, let me see whether the Google account that I need is signed into. It is apparently not. So let me quickly enter my parent's account on my second device and show what you need to do next. So once you yourself have to also sign into your supervisor's account if you didn't do that earlier. After that, we will get the Family Link app from Play Store, obviously for free. I will also lead you through this process. Just wait a brief moment. Alrighty, so after you have linked your parents' account, open up the Play Store, then download the Family Link app. Let me uninstall and download it, so I'll show you how to. So click on the green install button. Now we will briefly wait for it to get downloaded. Now let's go ahead and launch it. At the start, make sure to choose the parents account that you have identified earlier as your supervisor's account. So make sure to, well, use it over here or whatever. And at the apps interface, at the controls section in particular, you can, well, set daily limits of device usage, well, set up the downtime routine for your child, then change the app limits as well as monitor the app activity. Enforce content restrictions, configure account settings, and manage devices if you have multiple. You can also track your child location, and review highlights. So basically that would be pretty much it as far as setting up parental controls go. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.